Ready, start. The opposite party simply awaits the expiry of 6 months, whereafter the interim relief granted by the Honorable Court becomes ineffective. Full stop. This constrains the petitioner slash applicant to move either a stay extension application or seek extension of interim relief by oral mentioning. Full stop. As has been indicated above, owing to an overflowing docket of such stay extension cases, the interim relief does not get extended due to paucity of time. Full stop. Thus, for no fault of his, and despite having a prima facie case on merits, a litigant is compelled to face proceedings before the courts below. Full stop. That, however, due to heavy docket of stay extension cases, on the subsequent date the matter may not get heard, which would result in the vacation of the interim order. Full stop. On some occasions, the Honorable Court has been pleased to extend interim orders citing paucity of time. Full stop. However, even these orders by which the interim order is extended, citing paucity of time, is not being acknowledged by the trial court. Full stop. Thus, the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court has created an unintended consequence under which the courts below have been constrained to disregard the orders passed by the High Court. Full stop. That it is humbly submitted that once stay has been granted by this honorable court by means of a speaking order, it continues until the court holds otherwise by means of another speaking order. Full stop. Therefore, a stay order extended due to paucity of time remains a speaking order unless this honorable court reflects otherwise by another order. Full stop. Therefore, the term speaking order is being interpreted wrongly by the courts below, resulting in an unsavory situation where subordinate courts are sitting over judgment of this honorable court's orders. Full stop. That it is also noteworthy to state here that the existing situation is being exploited by respondents. Full stop. They stand to gain an unenviable advantage without even contesting the case on merits. Full stop. The applicant herein within bracket HCBA bracket close has no doubt in its mind that the Honorable Supreme Court clearly did not intend to reward such unscrupulous respondents. Full stop. That the operation of the decision of the Supreme Court is already resulting in large number of petitions being rendered infructuous. Full stop. As more and more respondents decide against filing counter affidavit, automatic vacation of interim orders results in virtual decision on the merits of the case. Full stop. That the HCBA faces situations regularly on working days where the members of the bar approach and request for intervening in their matters and get their grievances redressed by the registry of the Honorable High Court or before the Honorable Judge where the matter is listed or is on board but could not be taken up or considered, which ultimately results in non-passing of any order on the stay extension application. Full stop. That the HCBA twice a week transmits hundreds of stay extension applications details to the registry requesting for posting of the stay extension application before the appropriate honorable court as early as possible. Full stop. This exercise is also getting frustrated and the earnest requests are also not proving very fruitful. Full stop.